The most important thing for any person before getting a hair transplant is to make sure about the safety of the procedure. So in this video, I will be explaining all about safety, the things you need to know before finalizing your hair transplant at any clinic. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Singh and I am a hair transplant surgeon based in Dehradun. REVERT Hair Transplant Center is the name of my clinic and I have been doing hair transplants since the last 8 years. Hair transplant is a minor surgical procedure, so to make sure about the safety, the most important factor is the doctor. The doctor who will be performing hair transplant should be a qualified one. He should be ideally be a surgeon or a dermatologist. So the most important thing is for you to make sure before deciding your hair transplant at any clinic is to personally meet the doctor, get his qualification confirmed, personally meet him or her, get your examination done, get all your queries answered by him personally. And the second thing to make sure about the safety is the operation theater, the place where hair transplant will be performed. It should be well equipped. It should ideally be a well equipped operation theater with all the facilities. It should be properly sterilized. All the instruments that are used during the procedure should be properly autoclaved. The persons who are assisting, the assistants who will be assisting the doctors should be the permanent staff. They should be experienced. They should know to manage surgical procedures. So these things are very important to make sure about the safety. Most of the clinics in India, hair transplant are usually performed by technicians. They are unqualified doctors. They are unqualified persons. They are not trained in terms of surgical procedures. So you should make sure get your hair transplant only by a qualified doctor. The second important thing that is important to ensure safety is the time duration in which the hair transplant procedure will be performed. Ideally, the hair transplant procedure should be completed in a time duration of 6 to 8 hours. If this protocol is followed, the safety is ensured because the local anesthesia, the medicines or drugs that are required to anesthetize the area, their usage is limited to the minimum. If we increase the time duration of the procedure, the medicine requirement increases, that leads to extra risk, and also the extra hair roots that will be transplanted in the extra time, usually those hair roots will not grow because the out of body time for the roots to be kept outside the body, if we increase the time duration, majority of roots dies and doesn't grow. So this thing, the time duration of the hair transplant procedure is also important to ensure safety. The third important thing is get yourself thoroughly examined by the doctor. If you have some medical ailments like diabetes, hypertension, that should be properly controlled before you are put on the final hair transplant procedure, because overall hair transplant is a very safe procedure, but these things are important to make sure that you get better result, as well as make sure that the procedure is done safely and within those medical standards. I hope you will find this video useful, which will help you in deciding the clinics as well as the various aspects about the safety of hair transplant procedures. If you want further information regarding hair transplant and other hair loss treatments, you can subscribe to our channel. You can also press the like button so that we can reach maximum number of people. You can visit us at our WhatsApp number or visit us at our website. This is Dr. Amit Singh signing off.